If you clicked on this video, I can guess you may be stuck in your daytime job and often see the charm in digital entrepreneurs and freelancers. Which is somehow true because social media only shows off the results but not the struggle. With the growth of internet, online jobs will always grow, but every search on the freelancing websites will take you to their one of the most demanding jobs, which is graphic design. Yes, it is one of the most wannabe career nowadays, but is it the right career choice for your personality? Cause if it's not for you, then trust me, it can be more harmful than your daytime job. In this video, I am going to share 3 major signs for you to observe before you decide if the graphic design career is right for you. Let's jump into it. Sign number 1. You care about aesthetics. As a user of good aesthetics, you need to write down the answers of these silly questions. How much do you care about the cushions on your sofa when they aren't aligned well? Well, do you ever try to fix them or leave them as they were originally? Does a good branding or packaging attracts you to buy something and get you involved in typography or design? Basically, you need to examine yourself and see if you have the design sense. Sign number 2, you are okay with boring jobs. So, there is a difference between art and design. Art tends to be for your own self and design always has a purpose. And purpose is like our lives, not interesting all the time. So, you need to ask yourself, do you think you will be comfortable in working on the boring jobs which will come to your way even when you're not feeling like it? For example, designing a social media poster is fun most of the times. But ever try to work on the brochure of 20 pages, editing all the text, proofreading the words, correct sizing, printing the exact colors? These steps can become a burden on you and becomes super boring. Not all the designers love these steps, but it's a part of work. The last sign I am going to share with you if you are comfortable working at a desk for a long time. If your daytime job is not sitting on the desk for a longer period of time, then it can be hard and frustrating when you start off your career, where you need to sit for 6 to 8 hours and sometimes more to get your tasks completed. For example, sometimes I get into the flow of designing a logo or brand identity and stop thinking about everything else. This is sometimes one of the best feelings for me, but it comes with the price of pain in the back. You will have to take a walk, stretch your body to avoid any health issues every now and then. However, sometimes you need to keep the flow to be more creative with your ideas. My personal suggestion, if you're not comfortable to sit for a longer period of time, then this might not be the best choice of career for you. Now the fun part begins, as I have shared 3 major signs with you before choosing the graphic design career. And if 2 out of 3 signs are in your favor, you can consider going all in, and trust me about that, creative fields are like my YouTube channel. So much frustrating in the start, but the good news is they're worth the process of learning and improvement. But always remember, you need to be very careful before choosing whether it's a design career or a life partner.